You're looking for a side gig and you're not sure if social retail and Modere is the right side gig for you. In this video, I want to share with you 3 reasons that makes Modere very different than the traditional online side gig that you can get. Now, first of all, let me just explain that I have been at Modere for 6.5 years. My team has done millions of dollars in sales every single year, and I am telling you that it has been a game changer for me and so many people on my team, right? But here's what made me really go to Modere and really take a serious dive, because to be honest, I was very, very skeptical of network marketing. I didn't like the spamming my friends and family, making my list of 100. And so I knew that if I was going to find a side gig, I needed to find a place that understood branding, that understood creating a personal brand, and that understood that I needed to give value to my audience. So that is really what drove me to Modere, because I was seeing all these influencers that I love online and they were promoting Modere, but yet I didn't really know that they were promoting Modere, right? It wasn't like so in your face, gross, spammy, right? So reason number 1 is because Modere understands marketing. They understand how to build an online business. And we have what I do believe is some of the very best training in the entire online space, right? We understand what is working today because there's people that are showing up on social media and providing value to their audience that have hundreds and thousands of followers, and they teach us how to build an online business. So first reason was because of their online marketing and because it was a business in a box with so much training, I kind of was like, wow, this is amazing, right? And so what I have for you is, if you want to check out Modere's number 2 reason, which is their viral products, I have a video that I just posted last week on our new product called Curb. Within 5 days, we sold over $3 million of this product. It has gone completely viral. I'm super excited to see what it's going to do to our business to the next level. But number 2, the reason that I ended up joining Modere was because of their viral products that were not just viral, but really, really good quality ingredients that I knew that my audience would absolutely love and find to be very beneficial, right? Modere offers all clean living products, and they take their product category very, very seriously. They do all testing in the United States. All ingredients are listed on their website. It is very clean. It is very important to me, and I know that it is also very important to my audience, right? So they specialize in a collagen, but we also have incredible weight loss supplements, and some of the cutting edge advances in the weight loss industry have now hit with our Curb that I just mentioned, and patents are coming. And so I do love the innovation of Modere's products. They are absolutely fantastic. So if you want to talk more about Modere, more about the business, in the description of this video, I'm going to put a link to you for you so that you can message me personally over on Facebook or over on Instagram, and we can talk and see if Modere is the right fit for you. But while we're talking about their amazing products, what I also love is that there are no products that I need to keep on hand. Modere acts as an e-commerce store. I send people my affiliate link, and I'm going to get to that here in just a second, but I send people my affiliate link and Modere ships the products. I don't need to carry inventory. I don't need to ship anything. It is literally like an e-commerce store, but kind of on steroids, right? Which leads me to point number 3 as to why Modere is such an incredible business opportunity for anybody looking for either an additional income stream or wanting to build a business online, or just wanting to get back into the network marketing space and realizing that the company is very, very different. But the reason that I love it is because it's kind of like affiliate marketing on steroids. When you do affiliate marketing, what happens is it's called one and done, right? You get paid one time off of the order of your customer. That's great. But what happens when your customer reorders? The company actually, in most affiliate companies or most affiliate programs, the company actually just takes that customer and it's now theirs. And you don't get a commission off of their second or third order. What Modere has done is they have linked that customer to you, so you get what is called the lifetime value of your customer. So every single month, I have had customers that order our Clean Living amazing weight loss products like Curb or our collagen, our BioCell, and every month I earn up to 36% commission on every single one of their orders. It doesn't matter if it's their first time ordering or their 10th time ordering. I still earn the same commission based on their order, right? So that is a game changer, very different than the traditional affiliate marketing platform, right? The other thing that I love about it is we have a two-sided comp plan. And the two-sided comp plan is great for people that just want to sell products and just do the affiliate side of things. But we also have the team building side of the comp plan. So we have both sides, right? So yes, you can build a team, but you don't need to build a team in order to be successful over here. And that is very different than the traditional network marketing space. I have women on my team that sell $30, $40, $50,000. And yes, I said $30, $40, $50,000 in personal sales every single month. They earn 36% commission. They get recognized by the company. They earn the incentive trips that the company offers. They get recognized up on stage, but they don't necessarily have to have a team. So I loved when I came over here that, there were a place for people that just were really good at sales and didn't want to build a team, or there were people that were really good at building a team, but they didn't necessarily want to sell products, or like most people on my team, they decide that they want to do both so that they can leverage both sides of the comp plan. Again, in the description of this video, I'm going to post for you my links. Message me over on social media. What I can tell you is that Social Retail Modere has been an absolute game changer, not just for me, but for people on my team, right? We have a very dialed in, systematic approach to your launch where we are going to help you every step of the way and give you the tools, give you the strategies of what's working today in this online space and how to have success. And I love that the average mom that is just trying to make a few extra dollars has success here, and they can accomplish whatever their goals are. So if you are looking for an additional income stream, if you're looking to build a business online and you're not sure if Social Retail Modere is for you, definitely in the description of this video, definitely make sure you send me a message. I can, kind of share more with you about the comp plan, have you take a look at a few extra videos that I have. But I am telling you, these are the 3 reasons that have really drawn me to Modere, what has really kept me here for the last 6 years, because of the way we build, because of the branding of ourselves, because we're not spamming our friends and family like the traditional, online network marketing space has, because of the dual-sided comp plan. I don't want to keep inventory. I don't want to do parties. You don't have to do any of those things over here. I am telling you, it has solved so many of the problems of traditional network marketing. And as a top leader over at Modere, I am happy to help guide you to the success that you want in your business. So this is Julie Reynolds with another episode of Julie Reynolds TV. Definitely make sure you subscribe to this channel so that you never miss out.